In this video, I will walk you through a detailed Morita Forestry review to see how this sustainable investment platform stacks up against traditional financial assets. When comparing forestry to standard stock portfolios, the primary contrast lies in the tangible nature of the growth. While stocks fluctuate based on market sentiment, Morita Forestry focuses on the biological growth of timber and land development. This specific approach is built around long-term sustainability rather than short-term speculation. The landing page highlights that they already have 230,000 clients worldwide and an impressive 4.8 rating from over 12,000 reviews. These numbers suggest a level of scale and social proof that many smaller eco-investment platforms lack. A standout feature mentioned is their structured process, where capital is allocated directly into managed woodland projects and timber production. The trade-off here is liquidity. Unlike a day trade, this is a commitment to the maturation of a biological asset. However, for those prioritizing environmental responsibility and value creation, the platform offers a secure environment with specific investor protection measures in place. It essentially bridges the gap between green activism and portfolio diversification. If you are looking for a way to hedge against inflation while contributing to a greener future, these managed initiatives provide a professional level of oversight that is hard to find in the DIY forestry sector. Thanks for watching this review of Morita Forestry. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into alternative investments. Let me know in the comments if you would consider adding woodland projects to your long-term financial strategy.